So in checking for diastasis recti, what we're looking at is the tension in the linea alba, which is the fascia that runs between the two rectus abdominis muscles, or the two recti muscles. So we aren't as concerned about the space and the gap in between like we used to be. It's more just, can tension maintain between that space? And when we're feeling, what we're looking for is it soft and squishy like the cheek? Is it firm like the cartilage in the nose? Or is it firm like the forehead would be? So what we're looking for is really this tension where there's that kind of firmness, but not too hard. It's really hard like this. That can be like a coning or doming, and a little bit too much pressure pushing outward. So how to check for this is on the back, and we'll take the fingers and point them down towards the pubic bone, and we're feeling along again above and below the navel or the belly button. So by lifting up the head, first would be to do it not engaged, so not engaged and activated, pointing the fingers down and feeling for a separation. Is there a lot of depth happening down in between the recti and through the linea alba? And then after checking that, again, I'm really feeling above, about 2 inches above the belly button, and then 2 inches below. And then for the next one, we'll take a full breath in, exhale to engage, activate, lifting the pelvic floor, activating the transverse, and then lifting the head and shoulders. Head is facing up towards the ceiling. And then again, fingers pointing down to the pubic bone, feeling down. So I definitely have a gap, but I do have some tension in between. So my fingers aren't really going super low in the way that they used to. So I can definitely feel that tension in between. So again, the difference between engaged and activated and not can really help to see how much tension is built up through that linea alba over time.